Good evening. The coronavirus outbreak is changing by the day. The three biggest developments in our state today, here they are. 5 Connecticut residents, including 1 child, have tested positive, 4 in Fairfield County and 1 in Litchfield County. The governor banned gatherings of more than 250 people in our state. He also waived the 180-day requirement for the school year as more cities and towns announce emergency closings. It's all evolving so very quickly today, and it's a lot to take in. We have reporters handling each of these big developments. Let's kick things off with our team coverage with our chief Capitol reporter, Susan Raff. She's in Hartford outside the O'Neill State Armory, where the governor briefed the state today. Susan?
Dennis, it is a lot to take in. In fact, the governor and health officials have been having briefings here at the Emergency Operations Center, which is inside the State Armory, all week, and they have a lot of concerns. 2 executive orders came out today. One has to do with the 180-day requirement that all schools have classes during the 180-day during the school year. That's going to be waived. Another, as you mentioned, is or pertains to large gatherings. The governor doesn't want to see any events with more than 250 people in it. Another concern we also heard today is that the state needs to ramp up when it comes to more testing.
We have been working also with clinical laboratories at all of our acute care hospitals to develop the capacity for them to test at the hospital laboratory. We know that there's at least 4 or 5 that are far along in this process.
Yale New Haven Hospital could be the very first online, and we're told by doing that and by able to test a lot of these samples with swabs, etc., they will be able to eliminate or relieve some of the burden on other hospitals in the state. And in fact, here in Connecticut, one company is already researching a vaccine for the coronavirus. Governor Lamont toured Protein Sciences today. They are based in Meriden. They have worked on a number of flu vaccines. This, however, if they had some progress with it, with the coronavirus vaccine, first it would have to go through clinical trials with animals and then humans, but we are still, unfortunately, months away. Another concern, the economy and what the coronavirus is doing on Connecticut businesses. In fact, Governor Lamont says he is working with the Department of Economic Development, his staff, and lawmakers to see if they can approve low-interest loans and other things that will help them survive in these very difficult and uncertain times. We are live in Hartford. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.